Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make your X aka Twitter show sensitive content. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and as without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, first of all, go ahead access your particular X app on your mobile phone, and once you have access it, this kind of interface gonna look like, right? Go ahead afterwards, simply tap on your profile icon on top left corner of the side, tap on the settings and privacy below, and then you will tap on this option called privacy and safety, right? Go ahead, tap on it, and then it will show you this your X activity, including this option called content you see. Go ahead, tap on it. Now you can see this option called display media that may contain sensitive content. So if it's turned off by default, simply go ahead, tap on it, and then once it turns to blue, that means it's turned on. So now all of the sensitive content that you couldn't access before, you will be able to access them now on your Twitter. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.